case is the same.
Your Lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is always a courtesy to each other. Lord, what is,
That is what DD is. That's
Lord,
what,
somebody has lost the
that's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
1 second. According
at
to the
least
rules
laugh.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost her
regulations we've
life
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, why you are interfering, sir? I've not even given it to the court.
Just a minute. Just
Allow me to answer the court. We've now got Swiss bank accounts which are doing the rounds, Maharaj, because we are appearing for the state. That's all that's happening now, Maharaj, outside. And we are, instead of...
Initially, that Swiss bank account came, my Lord, from your client, present client.
Anyway, we don't have to really go into all this. We have to.
Let's
On the right.
What we will
again,
do is
you know,
this.
instead of concentrating on the investigation, you're concentrating on the state of West Bengal.
Lord, one more aspect, my Lord, which is brought to my notice by one young lawyer, my Lord, representing someone. I'll not, my Lord, right now divulge the my Lord, identity of the person, but he seems to have filed I have received, my Lord, the director has received, and today the learned advocate gave me a copy. Just, my Lord, the part which I have marked. I would not have troubled your lordships with this, but for the fact that the person who has, my Lord, brought this has filed this complaint in 2023. So it can't be discarded, my Lord, as something afterthought or some out of some personal.
Give us a copy, please.
And the next page also.
Can I have a copy? It's a formal complaint. It will be a public record.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and other, the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Well, that's why I've got timelines. Well, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly.
What was he doing up to
But
there?
kindly, I have given minute by minute what happened, Mullahs. We have a timeline prepared for your lordships, Mullahs.
But,
And it's backed by videography. It's not, Mullahs, something that we are saying.
but can I be shared with the timeline?
Yes, we'll share it. I wish you had asked, shared what you passed on to the
We
court.
don't have to
That
ask
doesn't
you
matter.
to give it
But
to
doesn't
CBI.
matter. Doesn't
We
matter.
were on
I don't have to
grounds,
request.
mistake, my lords. Could we
You are
have
bound to
timeline?
give
You should have
everything
given
to
it
the
yourself.
CBI. You have not given.
You should
We have
have
problem.
yourself.
Lord, I believe.
Lord, I am getting Kolkata Police. Ships have, Lord.
Mullahs, we have
Super reports.
That's all right.
Ah.
Can't hear your lordship properly.
As per the autopsy report,
Yes.
the autopsy was conducted in the evening hours of 9th.
No. On 9th.
On 9th?
On 9th.
9th
Yes.
August.
Yes.
Now the GD entry
Yes.
of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9th. That is 11:30. Now
That's for the FIR. FIR. UD case was in the morning, Malaj. 1:47 p.m.
As per the report submitted to us.
No, that's why I have the timeline, Malaj. It's better, your lordship. I'll give it to my lord.
23 is the FI.
1 second. Allow me.
That is right.
The scene of crime, including inquest, seizures and autopsy, were carried out mentioning the GD entry number 542 dated 9/8/2024. Now this GD entry was made
And 816.
and it's case number 861.
Malaj, may I, with your lordship's permission, Malaj, allow me to place the timeline before your lordship, given minute by minute, as to what happened. Malaj, if there is, kindly hold on. Just give it to my lordship, please.
Mr. Sibbal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the postmortem was performed.
Yes. I tell you, Lordship.
From your record.
Yes, yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yeah.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yeah.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem? This
It is a
one-
case.
Yes, so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I agree. Of
coming
course.
in our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistants
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours?
That's the FIR, Mother. That's not the UD.
Sir, no, sir.
Mother, I just.
Just listen to
I'm
us.
sorry.
Either you are right
No.
or
No,
what
it was
was
FIR.
You
FIR
have to
was,
answer your Lordship's question, Mother, without interference, please.
no, you can.
No. Just
Yes, certainly.
the records review,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours. On 9th August 2024, ED entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Mother, may I therefore point out to your Lordship, just take the timeline, we've referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what time?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not.
They're 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Mothers, I'll show that to your Lordship.
Because we today have a report
Mothers, but that I'm saying, Mother.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore it's very surprising. Postmortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Mother, this is what I'm told, Mother, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Mother.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with you. I agree. Let me just, Mother, the officer is here.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
One-
The
one-
Just a minute.
report.
Just a minute,
Just a
first,
minute.
let him assert it.
Unnatural death entry answer.
Tell him to make a responsible statement. He should not make a rash
Of
statement.
course not, Mother. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Let's kindly see page 4 of the diary.
I thought this is.
What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I've not
No,
even handed it to the.
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I've not even given it to the court.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Allow me to answer the court, please.
There are 3-4 questions.
Yes, Mother, good answer each one, Mother. And we can't, Mother, we have to make sure that what we say is right, Mother. What time is this? Yes. Mother, yes, kindly see, Mother, kindly see page 4 of the case diary. It will give some indication as to what happened.
Thought.
Yes, it says, Mother, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hour?
1:45.
From where do you get this?
Should I mention, Mother?
From where do you get this?
I'm just trying to make sure that a date before not.
Common.
Be careful.
As long as we get the correct answer.
Correct.
No problem.
Our reports are based on the case diary they have given to us.
Just a minute, Mr. Solicitor General. they are expected to reply to our question. Why it takes so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered.
It has to be in the case diary. To show it, the shooting case document is here. We can't possibly, as my lord is asking.
Hard copy आपके पास पे है hard copy में you'll don't do it नहीं
Just something.
Yes,
When we take up this matter on the next date,
yes,
keep a responsible police officer
yes.
present here
Yes, yes, absolutely.
who had done or who had carried out all this
Yes,
exercise.
no, we'll do that.
He should be able to tell us.
Yes, yes.
Till this point of time, we have not got the answer. What time it was registered?
no my lord is right
But what time is this?
no the question is time
Mr. Sibal,
Well, kindly see, quite frankly, I'll have to construct this for your lordship. For example, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case, requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just kindly see requisition
Sharma,
for inquiry.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
We'll just tell you that. That also we have in time. 4:20 to 40 p.m.
4:20 to 4:40 p.m. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
Magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions
the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were trying to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes.
Who is it?
Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind, Page 12. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
case diary
It's that I have it with me.
case diary
sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by
Correct.
the Kolkata Police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you show us? Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I just put out mark and passing.
Well, they are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, Malad. If your lordship said, look at page 2, Malad. Page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yes.
which has been followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across in 30 years of my...
I know. I appreciate it. But Malad, the facts must be before your lordships. Malad. That's the important thing. The real
So
facts.
first thing we want to confirm
Yes.
is it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD
No,
case?
Malad.
We'll have to assess.
Yes, please, Malad.
Second question to you, Mr. Sibyl.
The second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person? Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure. Female.
Her conduct is also very, very doubtful. Why did she act in this manner?
I can't possibly. Well, that's number two.
It's all right. It's all right.
Kindly pardon me, this is the one copy what we have. I have marked on the side, flapping is on the right hand side, my lord. First page,
Hello. I've got the entire sequence here. GD entry 542 is at 10:10 a.m.
Manoj, I have the, if your lordship don't mind, Manoj, I mean,
No, I've got your documents. I'm looking at it from your documents.
yes,
GD entry, it says 542, 10:10 a.m.
yes,
It says received information over the telephone
yes,
from Ajikor MCH Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so MCH was found lying in unconscious state at seminar room of chest medicine department of third floor of emergency building in half-naked condition. Accordingly informed so-and-so officer in charge and under his order,
yes,
leaving PS with lady police and force for causing inquiry. This is at 10:10 a.m.
correct.
just allow me to intervene.
Now, one second.
The doctors are saying unconscious, though she was already dead.
1 second.
You
Now,
don't need to be a doctor to understand.
This is 542.
Yes.
Now, next is 576. Now,
Yes,
576 is extremely important. The PM examination over, the dead body of the deceased, the board verbally opined that the death of the deceased was due to the effect of manual strangulation associated with smothering, ante-mortem, and homicidal in nature.
Correct.
Also verbally opined that medical evidence of forceful penetration stroke insertion in her genitalia, possibility of sexual assault, is a possibility. In Malkhana, white MK number 52 of...
Before that, your lordship may see the last page of this.
Would my lord,
Last but one.
may I be reading with your lordship? Look at
Second last, my lord. After return to PS under order of
Okay, that we have seen.
duty case has been registered. My lord, that is at 2030.
Make us understand this. The circle portion. What is this?
Manoj, when he comes back, he records the entire incident and then Manoj repeats that. But
Oh, Mr. Sibyl, oh, I'm sorry. We can't accept this explanation.
page 2 in the diary itself, Manoj, kindly have a look at page 2 if you don't mind, Manoj, please.
So what is this? He has recorded minutes? The entire day's proceedings?
He has to, Manoj, he has to.
Why has he mentioned this 23, 32 hours, 33, 30 hours?
He's come back at that time, Manoj. At the police station at that time, Manoj. He has therefore recorded it. Manoj, there's a lot of...
Now show us one document
Yes, I'm showing.
prior to 23, 30 hours
Correct.
wherein we find this UD case number so and so.
Page 2.
Give it back to us, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Page 2, Manoj.
Of this compilation,
Diary, yes.
page 2.
Yes. That's the second last page, Manoj. And there it is mentioned. The second last
Page of the case diary.
of the case diary. Page
It's
number-
UD, not GD.
Case diary plus page.
Case diary, page 2.
Case diary.
Do you have it in hard copy?
Yes, we give it to your lordship.
Let us see.
Let us give it to mine. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah. For the magistrate would happen in the afternoon, which happens
That is
in the
after,
afternoon,
much after.
and you will see the diary number, Manoj, 861 of 24. 861 of 24.
Even the order of the magistrate.
Even the order of the magistrate thereafter, Manoj, says that.
Plus page 4.
Let them investigate. This has been inserted later in point of time.
No, page 4.
Yes, prima facie,
Page
prima
four,
facie
madam.
interference.
Before,
Time of case sheet appears.
page 4, not
Let them look into it. Let them look.
Ask for the report from the ACGM.
Just give it back to us. I'll share it with my lord.
My request is
And my
ask for the
brother.
report
Yes, my
from
lord,
the
and the
ACGM.
copy may be given to us, my lord. I do not know whether this copy we have or not.
The case diary.
That's okay, but give one more copy. What objection can you have?
Report of the ACGM can come, Manoj. Before the ACGM, the application was made. No.
My lord, this page may be given to us. They may have given. Let another copy be
May
given.
I request your lordship, look at page 4 and ask for the report of the ACGM report.
No, I do not know what is shown. I must say.
Manoj, kindly see page. Manoj, I'm sorry, Manoj. I give. No, Manoj, it
No, the
can't be-
copy of print of this page may be given, my lord. That's sorry.
Just give it back to me, please. Only you have a look at it.
We just look at. Yeah. I understand. Yes, I know. Now, Manoj, your lordship suspicion is right. Now we read page 8.
From where? In this?
Yes, here. That's the inquest report. Give it back. This is the judicial magistrate. It's 6-1. Postmortem also mentioned. So, Manoj, these can't be inserted. And this is signed by the magistrate.
Here's this number.
What time the body was first noticed, what time the body is brought, what time the inquest takes place,
Correct.
post-mortem, and then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
No, that's not correct.
See the UD case.
Can your lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yeah.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes.
Can your lordships have a
Because
look
they
at
have this information in the CD. They have this
Mr.
information.
Sibal, please allow me now.
Mr. Sibal,
Please allow me.
allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
But I don't wish to
Original
fight,
should have
my
been
lord. I
given in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord,
FIR
there is a
says
confusion. My lord, please allow me.
received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
My lord, if your
Video
lordship
number
gives me 2
577.
minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10-10, my lord.
Yes.
This is GDE, called General Diary Entry.
Right, at the
Correct.
police station.
At the at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this one. Lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
This is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is always a courtesy to each
Yes,
other.
yes.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary Entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so and so. Please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so and so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
See page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's Malad, how the chronology. We have Malad presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42. Just see 42.
42.
ED number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG training of
So-and-so was found lying in unconscious state at so-and-so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so-and-so according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order leading PS with lady police. So this is not general diary entry. What is?
That is what DD is. That's
Not
what,
somebody has lost the
that's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
1 second.
Don't
According
at
to the
least
rules
laugh.
Malad, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost
regulations
her
we've
life
done in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manners.
Malad, these are the rules, and we have followed to the T the rules
Yes,
of the,
I will show that what rules are.
unnatural death entry.
My lord,
The Solicitor General. First, the general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diary.
Correct.
Case general diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is-
diary is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
Yes.
this part, which is a inquest report. This shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
Yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police complete
We will
after the
examine
day
this
is
aspect
over.
and come back to you.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that is what
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud from the water, because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh,
lost.
come on, we all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident, it's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side
But
was
let's
laughing.
not muddy the waters on
really unfortunate.
Only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were referred.
Yes,
Yes.
Let's not use what we read on social media and then make legal arguments on that basis.
Malad, Malad, 1 second. Now, Malad, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Malad, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Malad, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Well, let's just give it. Just go through this affidavit.
They're only giving.
Only to him.
Yes, yes, I'll give it.
Well, just read through this. See what's going to happen. Para 5 onwards, page 2, Malad.
Lord, may I just
Deeply obliged.
say,
Come back and see yours because we've
Lord-
examined CBI statement.
Yes, now your lordship take them.
Lord, can I just say to my friends, CISF is still not there. No, it's not there. I've got photographs of today morning. I have photographs.
Just take instructions. That's
Lord,
CIS that
I
arrived at
received
this
an intimation in writing that they have gone, they have visited along with the Kolkata police and to decide where to post whom. Lord, one thing is to be decided. Kolkata police says that the security should be in the hospital, but we feel that it should be more in the hostel because
Mr. Subal, we might be just late by 10 minutes or so.
No problem.
Look at block
Yes.
15, so you all of you
Deeply
also
obliged. Deeply obliged.
Grateful.
So, solicitor, we'll come back at
Original case diary, Malad, sir.